Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Novi here. So for today, I am going to share a little something with you. Okay, so last December 12th, I ordered something from Lazada because I heard about this brand and I looked it up on YouTube, and I also saw some reviews about it, and most of them were positive. So I decided to try them for myself. So as I've said, last December 12th, I ordered at Lazada some of their makeups. Excuse me. So, what brand I am talking about? I am talking about the brand O.Two.O. This brand is actually from China. I look it up and it says that it's from China. So, I know what you're thinking, but hey, let's not jump into conclusions, okay? So, I am going to show you the things that I ordered and I am going to unbox them. Well, I already took it out of the package pack, but I haven't actually seen them yet. They're still inside their, boxes, and they're still in their complete packaging. So I want to unbox it with you guys, and I want to show them to you. Who knows? They might just surprise it, right? So, with no further ado, let's check them out. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. So, I am going to show you what I got during the 12/12 year-end Lazada sale. So, as I've said, I heard about this brand and I decided to look it up on YouTube so that, I would see some reviews before actually buying it. I mean, Lazada got reviews, but it's a little bit different actually hearing from those who tried it, not just who bought it, because there are some people who just buys it for like collection or some sort. So I am going to show you how the package was sent to me. So originally it was like this. So I was already able to like scissor it up to get it open. So what's inside this package? It looks like this. It's completely bubbled. See? Airtight and zipped. So it's got tape over here. It is taped to make it more secure. And then products are inside. Safe and sound. Okay, so I am going to show you the things that I bought. I bought about 6 items. And for these 6 items, I only paid 551 pesos and 16 cents. So yeah. So the first product is their O.Two.O eye primer, universal cooling eye primer. So here. And then let's check it out. So their box is all rose gold, and then it's got that shimmer. It's really classy though. So what's inside is, ooh, nice. See? Rose gold and classy. It's plastic and yeah. I expected it to be glass, but whatever, it's fine. It's still classy. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of looks like a mirror. You can use it as a mirror. So yeah. So I got one in a shade of warm beige. 4.0 is their warm beige. So this is the shade. Okay. So that's it for their eye primer. I want to test it, but hang on a second. Let me just test it. Here. You see it. Hang on. There you go. I don't know. I don't think it's a good idea to do a swatch test right now because you can't really clear it. I'm sorry. I don't have proper lightings for now. But yeah, I'll just show them to you. And then the second one is their O.Two.O Rose Gold 2-in-1 Matte Lipstick and Liquid Lipstick. See? The packaging, they're embossed. The logo, I mean. Yeah, and then everything is just, it's just so shiny and it's nice. I like it. So let's open it. It looks like this. I got one in the shade of RGLL10, or yeah, whatever. So yeah, let's see. So this is a 2-in-1 lipstick. It's got a lipstick and a liquid lipstick. So for the lipstick, looks like this. Ooh, nice. Even the lipstick looks classy. Hang on. I know I said Swatch test is a bad idea, but hey, wouldn't hurt, right? Oh, nice. It's all red. The texture is creamy, but not that dewy. I like it. It's fine with me. I'm completely okay with it. Okay, so now let's try the liquid lipstick. Hang on. I figured it out. Oh, okay, there you go. So there. Ooh. See? I'm going to swatch this. I don't care about what I said earlier, but yeah, so here. Wait. Okay. Ooh. It's velvet. It smells like one of those typical velvet lipstick that you can buy. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have nothing against the scent. It's completely okay. If you're worried about the scent, I'm telling you, there's no need for you to get worried because the scent is completely fine. The next product that I'm going to show you is their Pore Perfecting Primer. So, this says that it's Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores. So, we'll see. The package is still in rose gold and white. The packaging rather. Oh, nice. So once I got it out, I took it out, and this is how it looks. Rose gold, peachy, and yeah. See? It's a primer. So it's got a gold cap. You can just twist it to open. Well, obviously, what do you do? A cap, you twist it. Hang on. I can't seem to open it. Oh, there you go. See? Oh. Let me just close this one. I'm going to try and apply it to my face. See? It's dewy. It doesn't smell like anything. It's completely odorless. It's oily, like typical primer. It's good for the face. It's soft. So, I'm done with this. The next one that I'm going to show you is their Highlight Luminescent Complexion Enhancer Dyed Key. Luminescent. Yeah, so there. And their packaging is still the same. Oh yeah. Literally the same. See? They look the same with the primer. The difference is that this is a highlighter in a shade of Starburst. You can see it, can't you? So same thing, gold cap, take it off. There's this. There's that. You need to get rid of that. And then before you can actually take it out, here, I'll let you see it. Ooh, it's shimmery. It is shiny. It gave justice to the shade Starburst. It literally shines. Hang on, let's try to put it on the skin. Here. it's pigmented. Right. Can you see that? Oh, look at that glow. I think I'm going to like this. Oh no, scratch that. I already like this. See? It shimmers, it glows. Nice. It gives justice. And then the other one is the Rose Gold Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Truth be told, I don't really know how to apply liquid eyeliner, but hey, there's a first time for everything, right? So, oh, it's like a pen. Is this upside down or what? Hang on a second. Let's get that mark, O.Two.O mark. O.Two.O mark. Okay. I'm going to twist it. Oh, okay. Forgive me, it was upside down earlier. This should be at the top. Oh, I like the brush. See? It's pointy. It's really pointy. Let's try doing a line. Just to show you. Ooh. It's nice. I think this would be easy to use. See? You can actually draw your winged eyeliner. So, yeah, I'd give this one a 10. Because the tip of the brush, it's easy to use. It's not like one of those, you know, I'm not going to name drop a brand, but I know a brand whose tips are not so friendly. Okay, so this one I must admit, I tried to open it earlier, so I kind of took off the plastic that seals this thing, but I must say I haven't really opened this. I never took it out of the box. I just took the plastic off. I want to open this with you. So this is going to be the last that I'm going to show you, because this is going it is the 6th product that I bought. It's the O.Two.O Stellar Dream Romance 16 color eyeshadow palette. See? So let's open this. Ooh. I keep on saying, oh, I can't help it. I'm sorry. Wait, it's hard. Oh, there. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This one right here, this, and this shimmery, they are a must. I swear, their packaging is like 11 out of 10. I really like it. They're really classy. Like, they know how to market their stuff through packaging. So when it comes to this one, the palette itself, I expected it to be plain, but hey, they still got that embossed feel. When you buy one, make sure to feel them. They feel good. I got that leftover from the primer. Okay, so let's check it. Ooh, glitter. It's got matte, it got shimmer. It's got matte and it's got shimmer. See? Their palette also has a mirror. It's got a film. Do you mind if I take out the film? No? Okay. I'm sorry. See? It's clear. Unlike the others, which mirrors looks like they've been warped. You know? It's really hard to use a mirror that's been warped. Or it looks like it's been warped. Because you can't really do a makeup if your mirror isn't showing you what it should be showing. So yeah, it's got 16 shades for a 12-16. Milky, Glacier, Into, Key, Steamed, Nebulae, Soul, Crack, Fall, Violet, Faraway, Float, Saturn, Meet You, Metal, and Stardust. They've got light, they've got dark, they've got shimmer, and they've got the glimmer. Nice. Okay, so I guess that's about it. I am done showing you my O2O cosmetics haul. So, I'm trying to put it back inside the box. Hang on a second. I wanna keep this and try this. Probably tomorrow. I'll try to do makeup with this. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell down below just to make sure to keep you updated on my upcoming videos. So I guess that would be it for tonight. Bye bye and good night. Bye bye.